Hey there, future YouTube star. Are you ready to dive into the world of making money online without spending a single penny? That's right, zero investment. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your passion into profits using just your YouTube channel. So grab a seat and stay tuned because you won't want to miss a second of this. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm John, and I specialize in helping you make money online with practical, no-nonsense advice. Today, we're diving deep into how you can create content and start earning money through ads and sponsorships on YouTube, all without spending a dime. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. YouTube is the second most visited website in the world, with over 2 billion monthly active users. That means there's a massive audience out there just waiting to discover your content. Plus, YouTube offers multiple ways to monetize your channel once you start gaining traction. The best part? It doesn't cost a thing to start. The key to a successful YouTube channel is great content. But what makes content great? Here are a few tips. Find your niche. Focus on what you're passionate about and what you're knowledgeable in. Plan your content. Create a content calendar to keep your uploads consistent. Quality over quantity. Invest time in making high-quality videos rather than churning out lots of low-quality ones. Growing your audience is crucial. Here's how you can do it. SEO optimization. Use keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to make your videos more discoverable. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask questions, and build a community around your channel. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media, forums, and blogs to reach a wider audience. Now let's talk money. Here are the two main ways to monetize your YouTube channel. Ads. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning from ads. Sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands may reach out to collaborate. Sponsored videos can be a lucrative income source. And there you have it. Making money online without any investment is totally possible with a YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.